You see yourself. Can you see yourself? You see?
No fazia.
Never taste it without What are you doing there? You want to take dog? Oh. You want dog? This one?
No, I want horse.
You want horse? Okay, it's not a dog, it's it's a horse. I thought it's a dog.
I want dog.
I love it. You want to buy for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Come back here. This boy.
Let's go.
Let's go where? Oh my God. Hello guys. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you can see, we are out from the house. So today is Caleb's vaccination. We are here now, but they have not yet opened. So we are waiting for them to open so we can go. Okay, they are open. They have opened the door. So they just opened the door now. Look at where we are heading to. So after the vaccination, I'll talk to you guys later. Joshua, let's go inside. That day, did you enter the...
Already boy. It's coming. No, come here. C'è qua.
Ragazzi,
entriamo?
Sì.
Bravissimo campione.
cerottone! Bravo!
Grazie.
Guarda che hai il cerottone. Cosa facciamo?
Sorry, baby.
Facciamo velocissimo. Fermo lì.
Guarda suo fratello.
Cerottino!
Voilà.
Bobo, how are you? How are you? He didn't even cry much, like. Hold for me. I'm good today. Bobo, Bobo, baby, how are you? Let me see your hand. Yeah. Joshua, what are you doing? You want to put train on? So obsessed with train. Yeah, come and put it back. Bravo. Yeah, take the red to the other table. Put it there. No, the other side. Yeah, bravo. Now carry that red. Carry red. Take this red. Yes. Bravissimo. Ancora red. Caleb, stand up. My dear, put it there, Jerry. Don't mind Caleb. Bravo, good job. Hold that bag very well. Hold it very well. Look at it. Hold it very well. Joshua, look at that bag and hold it very well. Keep it on the floor. Oh yeah, look at it and carry it well. Leave it. Keep it on the floor and leave it. Now carry it. Leave that one alone. Now go.
You want to come here next time? Okay, we'll come again, okay? 5 years ago now, you literally got a vaccination. Yeah, great. Terra. Il cielo.
Finally, we are done. Ciao. Su.
No, prendi l'ascensore.
Joshua, bye bye. Bye bye. This boy. Yeah, let's keep the bags. Oh my goodness, guys. I just saw something there. Look at that person that is lying down over there. Like this world, in this code, somebody is lying down over there. Like, it makes me feel so sad. I'm so sad right now. Oh, look at the type of code we have here, and somebody is lying down in the cold. This is not fair. This is not fair. It's well. I pray that God will protect them. I just want to quickly buy something in a supermarket here because I want to make some vegetable soup. So I'm here now to pick up a few things. The light here is awful. Like, it's really bad. But anyways, we are not here for the light. You can still see me. So I'm here to buy just one thing, mushroom. But I know we women, one thing, before you know it, it will turn to one full bag. It will come out with a big bag. Fingers crossed. Let's hope I will buy only one thing, but I doubt it, because before you know it now, I will remember that I don't have this one at home, I don't have that one at home, I need this one, I need that one. But let me just see if I can do it. Mushroom, where do I find it? This is not the line for it. Okay, I've seen it. Both of them. Let's take two of them and try. Cherry tomatoes. Yeah, I need cherry tomatoes. So guys, this is what I ended up with. I got some cherry tomatoes because I needed it. And then here is my mushroom. I got two types. I wanted to try the both. I normally go for this one, but I wanted to try this one as well. And finally, I got some fresh spinach. So like I said before, I'm going to be making some vegetable soup. So at least I tried. I ended up with only 4 items. I tried. I thought I was going to buy the whole supermarket. So now we are heading over to Favor School to pick her up because it's time for their closure. So yeah, let's go pick Favor up. Mama, how are you? Fine. Yeah, it's time to go home. The sun today is too much. Who cares? Who cares for some peanuts? Ooh, the sun is too much. My eyes. Favor, how was school today?
My school was fun.
Okay, brava. And what did you eat? Tono.
No.
What? Polo. Chicken and what? Spinach. Con riso, rice. Anche biscotti.
Sì, e anche juice.
È buono?
Sì,
Molto buono.
sì.
Okay. They ate rice, spinach and chicken. And she said it's very good, very nice. my god. So guys, we are back now, and I'm about to make soup. So I want to film a separate video for the soup, so I don't want to include it in this particular video. So make sure you watch out for the video on how I'm going to be making the vegetable soup. It's just a very quick, easy and simple vegetable soup, which I'm very sure you guys are going to love. I don't know if this one will go up, like this video, I don't know if it will go up first before the vegetable soup. But anyways, just make sure you watch out for it. I'll catch you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.